Can I use my cell phone to call a landline number in the Philippines from another country?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this segment, we'll be discussing whether you can use your cell phone to call a landline number in the Philippines from another country. If you've ever wondered about this, stick around as we dive into the details and provide you with some valuable information.
Calling landline numbers in the Philippines from abroad.
When it comes to calling a landline number in the Philippines from another country, using your cell phone can be a convenient option. However, there are a few factors to consider. 1. International dialing code. Firstly, you'll need to ensure that you have the correct international dialing code for the Philippines. The international dialing code for the Philippines is +63. 2. Country code. Next, you'll need to include the country code for the Philippines when dialing. The country code for the Philippines is 63. 3. Area code. After the country code, you'll need to include the area code for the specific region or city in the Philippines that you want to reach. Different areas in the Philippines have different area codes. For example, the area code for Manila is 2. 4. Landline number. Finally, you'll need to dial the specific landline number you wish to call in the Philippines. Make sure you have the correct number and format it properly.
Considerations and costs.
While using your cell phone to call a landline number in the Philippines from another country is technically possible, there are a few important considerations. 1. International calling plan. To make international calls, check with your mobile service provider to ensure that you have an international calling plan activated. International calls can be more expensive than local or domestic calls, so it's crucial to understand the costs and fees associated with your plan. 2. Roaming charges. If you're physically in another country and use your cell phone to call a landline number in the Philippines, roaming charges may apply. These charges can vary significantly, so it's essential to review your mobile provider's roaming rates to avoid any surprises on your bill. 3. Alternative options. In some cases, using a cell phone may not be the most cost-effective method to call a landline number in the Philippines. Consider alternative options, such as using internet-based calling services, like Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, apps or international calling cards. These options might offer more affordable rates for international calls. And there you have it. While it is indeed possible to use your cell phone to call a landline number in the Philippines from another country, there are a few factors to keep in mind. Remember to have the correct international dialing code, country code, area code, and landline number. Additionally, consider the costs associated with international calling plans and roaming charges. Exploring alternative options like VoIP apps or international calling cards can also be worth considering. Thanks for watching today's video, and I hope this information has been helpful to you. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, take care and happy calling.